This exercise is the split squat on an unstable surface. And contrary to what it might look like, just know that my back foot is not using that thing behind me for support. Let's break it down here and get into what this exercise really is. So, one thing to note here is that my foot is not in full contact with the unstable surface. Most of it is actually not in contact with anything but the air. Just the front of your foot or the forefoot should be in contact with the unstable surface. This really just means your toes and where your toes meet the foot. But your medial and lateral arch, the main arches you think of your foot, should not be in contact with the surface. This is really going to challenge our foot strength, foot intrinsic strength, and overall our ability to maintain a good stable foot and ankle. Throughout this exercise, know that this is not about load. You really shouldn't be using much load at all. This is about stability and control. Okay? So if you need something to hold on to, if this is too challenging, don't be afraid to grab a broom, PVC pipe, stick, anything you need just to provide some support. As you can see here, I got a PVC pipe. I'll go back to it. Throughout this entire drill, I'm really focusing on all the main things for the split squat. I want my knee tracking out over the middle of my foot, good pelvis control with good intra-abdominal bracing, and I really just want to be falling on the middle of that foot, or that point of support that we've talked about before, right over the navicular bone.